Hi, I'm Dick Norris from Scripps Institution of Oceanography, representing the organizers of the Impact Workshops on Scientific Ocean Drilling. I'm here to invite you to participate in one or more of the events in our upcoming workshop series. Our goal is to examine the role of scientific ocean drilling in three topic areas: engaging the public, informing policymakers, and preparing the next generation of scientists. So what is scientific ocean drilling? It's an international consortium of scientists and science agencies that have explored the ocean's geology since the late 1960s. This international effort, involving researchers from many countries, has collaborated through 4 phases of scientific exploration of the Earth system, from the deep-sea drilling project to the current International Ocean Discovery Program. Now we're planning the next 25 years of big questions to be solved through scientific ocean drilling. The Impact Workshops will help chart this next phase of research and how we communicate our findings to the public, policymakers, and the next generation of scientists and educators. Through keynote presentations, panel discussions, and breakout groups in the 3 virtual workshops, we will craft recommendations for communications, training, and outreach programs for the scientific ocean drilling community. Each workshop is built around a couple of hours of virtual discussion over 2 days. We will craft discussion papers from each workshop to inform a future in-person conference planned for fall of 2021. So if you'd like to have input into the future of these topics, please register and add your voice to the discussion.